is basically the part 2 of the previous video, which was basically the Hill Road and the Bandra latest trends which I showed you. And in this video I'm going to show you what all I got from there, so I hope you are excited because I am really. And this time I actually, I did not plan, but it happened that I got a lot of accessories more and I got clothes less. That happens, but I want to show you them and I hope you enjoy this. If you haven't seen that video, I'll just put the link here and you can know what all summer trends are there, and you can also go and buy that. And yeah, without any further ado, let's just get started. So the very first thing which I have is this simple black tee, which is super comfortable, super soft, and I know it's summers, but still this black t-shirt can be worn in any season, can be layered with some denim jackets if it is winter, and can be styled in many different ways. And this one I got from a shop in Hill Road for ₹200. The second thing is basically one which I really wanted since a very long time, and I wish I could have got it really like a little before, because I did a half fulfilled lookbook and I guess a sequin skirt was needed in that. So the next thing is the sequin skirt. I love the fact that it is so perfect, like it's not over the top gold or it's not really light, it's just perfect gold which I needed, and it fits me really well. It's really soft, it has an inner lining also, so it doesn't bite me, and it's super comfortable and again can be worn for parties and anywhere. This skirt is basically available everywhere and in Hill Road, and people will quote you 700 also, but I got it for 350 rupees. The next thing is this cold shoulder top which has stripes. So this one is basically trending and it is available everywhere, like everywhere possible. And it has this white embroidery lace kind of ruffle pattern going on, and I love the fact that it is so summery, yet these stripes make it look a little formal, so it can be worn both casually as well as formally. And this one I got for 200 rupees. Next thing is something which I guess you'll spot everywhere, is these workout pants. This one basically has "Just Do It" message written on it, which is quite motivating, especially for a workout, and it is super comfortable, super soft, and fits really well. Now the next two are basically the pair of earrings which are my absolute favorite. I guess they are basically inspired from what all we get in Sarojini Nagar. I've seen a lot of Sarojini Nagar videos and I've seen such earrings over there. So the next are these earrings. So the first one is this round shaped golden orange beads studded earring, which is just perfect for an Indian outfit but would lighten up a simple white shirt look as well. And the next one is this black tassel earrings, which is really trending, and it is available in many different colors in different markets, but here it was available just in black and red, so I opted for this black one so that it could suit all my outfits. The next piece is, guys, it is trending a lot, and this one is available in all kind of geometric shapes possible. So this is basically a two-layered chain which has basically a black pendant and a gold pendant, which can be worn separately as well. It is very stylish, very simple, yet very elegant and trendy. And this one I got from Linking Road for ₹120. And the next thing which I have from Linking Road as well is this choker chain combination. It is very delicate. This chain has a small chain which looks like a choker with a round pendant, and a very delicate sleek chain which has a rectangle pendant on it. This was for ₹150. Summers are here, every one of us needs scarves, so I got this beautiful scarf for ₹50. The next thing is basically this belt, which is from a shop called Unique Belt, which I had shown in the last video. So you can see, and the address is also visible in that video, so you can go and check out. It has superb collection of belts, and this one was for ₹200. So these kind of belts are really trending, guys, and they are available on Hill Road, and Nikki saw it on Instagram, so she wanted to buy it and we luckily got it. It can be worn with any kind of dress and I'm happy to have it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you liked whatever I got, and if something is your favorite or you want to know something, you can comment below. I would really come back to you as soon as possible, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and do hit that bell button so that we stay connected. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm most active on Instagram, and get updated with what all is coming up this week and rest of activities which I do in the entire week. Till then,